You're watching H2HUBB, the standard for hydrogen product reviews. Today's focus is the Hydro4Health 1800 Pro, a device that went through our testing and approval process to prove it can deliver therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas safely and consistently for home or wellness use. My name is Tywon Hubbard with H2HUBB, and this is the 1800 Pro hydrogen inhalation machine from the company Hydro4Health. The 1800 Pro is a household-grade hydrogen inhalation system that combines a sleek, compact design with impressive H2 gas output, safety, and reliability, all at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a unit that consistently delivers therapeutic hydrogen gas for daily home use or wellness settings, this device and this review are for you. Here's a quick breakdown of what we will cover in this review. First, what is it for and who is it for? Details such as the company who sells it, key features and comparisons, tips and tricks to using the product, the user experience, safety and maintenance, our seal of approval and test results, my personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. Let's discuss what this device is for. The Hydro4Health 1800 Pro was built to bring reliable hydrogen therapy in the form of hydrogen inhalation to everyday life. It delivers a strong, steady stream of hydrogen gas that can help the body manage oxidative stress, improve recovery, and support overall wellness, without needing the size or footprint of a large clinical machine. Next, let's go over who this device is for. This device is perfect for individuals who want reliable, daily hydrogen therapy with simple operation. It is well suited for wellness users, those managing oxidative stress or inflammation, and advanced home users who want safe, consistent, and a therapeutic grade hydrogen device. Let's start with the essentials. Who distributes the 1800 Pro? What it's designed to do, and how does it stack up against other devices? The 1800 Pro is sold by Hydro4Health, a subsidiary of Photon4Health, a company with over a decade of experience in low-level laser therapy. Founded in 2024, Hydro4Health is based in Europe and is dedicated to bringing high-performance hydrogen inhalation systems to both professional and home users. Their philosophy combines modern science with holistic health practices. For the latest prices, head over to our website. Plus, going through H2HUBB ensures you get the best possible value. Let's walk through some of the key features of this device. H2HUBB verified output delivers 1,254 milliliters per minute of pure hydrogen gas, equivalent to 103 milligrams per minute of hydrogen, plus 627 milliliters per minute of oxygen for a combined 1,881 milliliters per minute of Brown's gas or oxyhydrogen. High purity powered by PEM-SPE electrolysis, producing greater than 99.9% pure molecular hydrogen every time. Adjustable flow rate settings. Choose between 600, 1200, or 1800 milliliters per minute, all controlled through a clear, easy to read display. Large 2-liter reservoir, runs on distilled water only with plenty of capacity for longer sessions. Flexible session times. Set your therapy for short runs or up to 8 hours with automatic shutoff and a built-in cool down cycle. Smaller, sleek form factor. A lot of hydrogen gas production packed into a more compact design, making it easier to place in homes or wellness spaces. Great build quality. Sturdy construction and an attractive look that reflects its professional grade performance. More than 6 layers of safety, including low water protection, internal fans, gas separators, deionized resin filters, heat vents, and reservoir safeguard for consistent and reliable operation. Next, let's cover what you're getting for your money. When you go with the 1800 Pro, you're investing in a system that over-delivers. Our testing shows it puts out more hydrogen than the manufacturer even claimed, using PEM-SPE technology to keep purity above 99.9%. What's impressive is how much hydrogen gas this thing is moving while staying in a sleek, more compact footprint. The build quality and housing is great too. It feels solid, reliable, and honestly, it's an attractive unit that can look really good in wellness spaces or even in your living room. How does this device compare to other products? Compared to smaller or entry-level hydrogen inhalation systems, the 1800 Pro really stands apart. At 1,250 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas output, it delivers an inhaled H2 concentration of about 7% through a nasal cannula for most average adults. plenty of hydrogen for meaningful therapeutic use. What makes it rare in today's market is the combination of size and output. Measuring roughly 21 by 16 by 28 inches, this is a more compact system that still produces well over 1200 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas. Most devices that can deliver this output are bulky, non-portable, or can be a hassle to move, but not the 1800 Pro. It takes the advantages of a high capacity unit and merges them with the convenience of a smaller, sleek system. Adding in the clean aesthetics and professional grade build, you've got a unique device that is powerful and practical for home or wellness use. Let's discuss some tips and tricks for using this product. One helpful tip that you can use with this system is with the provided 3-way connector. The 1800 Pro can actually support 2 people inhaling at once if you have 2 nasal cannulas connected. That makes it great for wellness spaces or clinics or even sharing at home. Another helpful tip that can be used for maintenance with the device is ensuring that you remove the lid to the reservoir while you're draining the system. This will ensure the device drains even faster and you won't have any airlocks. And another practical use is every hydrogen inhalation unit can also make hydrogen water, simply by taking the provided cannula or tubing and placing it into a glass of water and letting it bubble for 5 to 10 minutes on the 1800 setting. You'll dissolve around 1 milligram per liter of hydrogen gas into the water, giving you a quick and easy way to drink hydrogen-rich water also. Now let's go over the user experience. The 1800 Pro is straightforward and easy to use. On the back, you'll find the AC power cord, master switch, and drain port. On the front, there is a clear digital display with flow rate settings of 600 milliliters per minute, 1200 milliliters per minute, or 1800 milliliters per minute. A timer control that goes up to 8 hours of use, and a power button that allows you to start and stop operation of the unit. On the top of the unit, you'll find a carrying handle and also the lid to the distilled water reservoir. On one side of the unit, you will find a large heat vent, the hydrogen and oxygen port, and a display window. On the other side of the system, you will also find another large heat vent and the USB ports for connecting the ATP watch. The setup for this device is super simple. First things first is to plug in your AC power cord and turn on your master switch. Next, you will fill the 2-liter reservoir with distilled water only. After that, you will want to connect your nasal cannula to the H2 port, and following connecting your nasal cannula, you will select the desired flow rate and session time. Press the start button to begin your hydrogen inhalation session. Let's touch on some maintenance requirements for the system. Maintenance for this system is minimal. Just refill the distilled water reservoir as needed, completely drain and refill the system once a month by using the drain port, and that's it. Next, we'll go over some key safety mechanisms that are in this device. The 1800 Pro is engineered with more than 6 layers of safety protection. Low water protection to prevent overheating, large reservoir for thermal stability, internal fans for cooling and hydrogen dispersion in case of a leak.
Start using.
Gas water separators to ensure clean and pure hydrogen, large heat vents for safe operation, overheat protection notifying you when the device gets too warm, and gas block protection ensuring the system does not pressurize hydrogen gas. Now let's go over our seal of approval and how this device earned it. Every hydrogen product we test must meet H2HUBB's performance standard, and the 1800 Pro passed with flying colors. We verified the hydrogen gas output using an alley cat mass flow meter under SATP conditions. Across multiple tests, the device consistently produced 1,254 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas, exceeding the manufacturer's claim of 1,200 milliliters per minute. That output corresponds to an inhaled H2 concentration of 5 to 7% for most adult males and females using a nasal cannula. That is a strong therapeutic dose supported by human clinical studies. With a measured electrolytic cell efficiency of over 96%, with high purity of hydrogen gas, and multiple built-in safety mechanisms, the 1800 Pro fully meets H2HUBB's requirements. That's why it has officially earned H2HUBB's seal of approval. All right, so let's go ahead and get into my personal opinion for this product. Really is going to be on 2 things. So the first thing would be its high capacity. What I mean by high capacity is high hydrogen output. Typically for systems that's going to be producing over a liter per minute of hydrogen gas, or that's 1,000 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas, they're going to have larger housings, going to have a larger footprint, not going to be as portable, these kind of things. That is not true about this system. This device obviously is well made, compact, but also on this high setting, we confirmed it to produce over 1,200 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas. That is remarkable for this small, compact size. So I like that about this system. And then secondly would be its build quality. It has really good housing. Most systems are going to have a plastic housing. This one has a metal housing. And lastly, it was just basically the housing, the build quality, and its compact size with its high production basically makes this a really rare combination. You don't really see this too often in the marketplace. And they do a good job of maintaining the system's performance, knowing it's going to be generating a lot of heat, with having big heat vents right here to ensure that they have heat dispersion really well for the system. So that's what I would say about my personal opinion and what I like about the device. In the end, the Hydro for Health 1800 Pro carves out a unique spot in the hydrogen inhalation market, delivering more than 1,200 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas from a smaller, sleek system, something you rarely see in today's high-capacity devices. Most units at this level are bulky and hard to move, but the 1800 Pro merges the power of a large system with the convenience and footprint of a portable one. Backed by verified H2HUBB testing, consistent performance above the manufacturer's claims, and multiple built-in safety protection, the 1800 Pro is a rare combination of power, practicality, and design, making it one of the best choices available for those looking for this combination in an H2 inhalation device. Verified performance, delivering 1,254 milliliters per minute of pure hydrogen gas, producing an effective inhaled concentration for an average adult between 5 to 7%. Home-friendly power provides high output therapeutic dosing without the size, weight, or price of a large clinical system. Compact footprint, roughly around 21 by 16 by 28 inches, the 1800 Pro is far more manageable than most high-capacity hydrogen inhalation devices. Question: what is the most attractive thing you like about this device? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget that notification bell so you never miss a beat when we drop new reviews on hydrogen products. And I hope you enjoyed this content. Catch you later.